Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Usara Sophia. If you're a new viewer, please like, subscribe and share my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful rose hairband, and I'll drop the materials needed on the description box below. Please check it out. Now I'm going to cut this aso-oke into 3 inches and I'll fold it having 0.5 inches. On the 1.5 inches I will use a needle and thread to sew through it. I'll fold and pass in the needle and thread through it. Just put it from this edge, hem it. So I'll continue pushing the needle and thread through it straight to the end of the other side. Just push it in continuously. As you do, you draw. You can see it's forming a gather at the bottom of the aso-oke. Just keep on doing it till you get to the edge. At the edge of it, I'm going to draw out the thread. You can see as I draw, it's making a gather. As I draw, the thread is curving. See, it's forming the rose. All you need to do is use your hand to arrange it to be a shape of the rose. You can see it. I'm arranging it just to make 3-step rose. I'll put the needle in through the middle of the rose, push it in and take it out at the bottom. I'll take it back to make it firm. As you can see, my rose is ready. That's how to make the rose. And now this is the hairband I'm going to be using. I'm be wrapping this piece with aso-oke. First, I will apply gum on it. I'm using the Evo stick gum. I'm going to apply it on it evenly, in and out. After applying, I'll take the aso-oke and I'll wrap it from the tip of the band of the hairband. I'll wrap it. Make sure that place is properly wrapped and covered, and start wrapping it now using the aso-oke. Remember, I'm using the same length of aso-oke I used for making the rose. I'm using the same wideness. It's 3 inches. I folded the one for the rose into 2. That was why I had 1.5 inches. Now I'm using the straight 3 inches to wrap it around. Now I'll apply gum on the edge again. I'll apply it, then I'll cover. And make sure it's properly glued to it. As you can see, I'm done with that. Now I'm going to add the rose to this band. I'm going to be adding the rose to it. First, I'll place one at the middle. Gum it at the middle, and the 2 at the other side. I'll be using the gum on it. I will be applying the gum to it first. before I add the rose. I'll apply gum to the rose inside the rose to make it firm. Apply gum inside the rose to make it more firm. Now I'll be applying the gum to the both sides. Here I'll be adding the roses. You can see I'm through with it. I've done it. I've added the 3 roses to the band. You can see how beautiful it is. Now I'm going to arrange. It's very beautiful and it's very easy to make. You can use this for party, church, anywhere you want. I'm just adding more glue to make it strong and firm. You can see it's ready. And now I added pears using the B600 glue to gum the pears at the center of the rose. That's what I'm doing now, adding the pears to the middle, the center of the roses each. And the rose hairband is ready. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you.